Iris visit of Red Planet. ISRO's first ever interplanetary mission, Mangalyaan, successfully visited Mars on its maiden voyage. On September 24, 2014, India garnered international recognition for successfully inserting the Mars Orbiter mission, MOM, into Mars orbit on the first try.
हमारे वैज्ञानिकों का पुरुषार्थ था कि मंगलयान की सफलता और पहले ही प्रयास में सफलता, विश्व के अंदर हमारे लोग मंगल के कक्षा में प्रवेश किया, वहां तक पहुंचे, ये अपने आप में हमारे वैज्ञानिकों की सिद्धि थी.
Despite the fact that this feat has previously been accomplished by advanced space agencies multiple times over, it's the fourth country to reach Mars orbit. After leaving Earth, the spacecraft MOM covered 650 millions of kilometers in her 300-day journey to Mars. The success of the mission, in the words of Honorable Prime Minister,
आज मॉम का मंगल से मिलन हो गया. आज मंगल को मॉम मिल गई.
Ultimately, it completed 7 years of mission life despite being designed for 6 months. India's ability to send spacecraft into interplanetary space was demonstrated by this mission.
The Moon, a well-known visible object in the night sky, has captivated the minds of both scientists and common people. The charming allure of the Moon has enchanted people throughout history. Scientists believed the Moon would reveal the mysteries of the solar system and our own planet Earth. This mysterious puzzle has fueled numerous expeditions to our celestial neighbor. India achieved a significant milestone in space exploration when Chandrayaan-1 was successfully launched on October 22, 2008. The spacecraft carried a total of 11 scientific instruments. It orbited around the Moon at a height of 100 kilometers from the lunar surface for chemical, mineralogical and photogeologic mapping of the Moon. With the suggestion of former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, ISRO achieved a remarkable feat by creating the Moon Impact Probe, which became the first Indian object to touch the lunar surface. This accomplishment is a testament to India's innovative approach and dedication to space exploration. The presence of water, H2O, and hydroxyl, OH, on the lunar surface was a groundbreaking discovery of the Chandrayaan-1 mission and opened up new possibilities for lunar exploration. The follow-on mission, Chandrayaan-2, was successfully launched on July 22, 2019 by the ISRO's heavyweight LVM-3 M1 launch vehicle. The Chandrayaan-2 satellite was made up of orbiter, lander Vikram, and rover Pragyan. The orbiter is still healthy and continuing its observations about the lunar surface. The suite of orbiter payloads with unique capabilities is offering valuable insights into the lunar surface, providing a plethora of information to the scientific community and conducting a comprehensive analysis of the Moon's topology. The Chandrayaan-2 mission paved the way for Chandrayaan-3's soft landing on the lunar surface. On July 14, 2023, ISRO's heavyweight launch vehicle LVM-3 successfully launched the highly anticipated lunar mission Chandrayaan-3. The Chandrayaan-3 integrated module is configured with a propulsion module and a lander module with the rover housed within the lander. The lander module of the Chandrayaan-3 has been enhanced to ensure greater durability and resilience, surpassing the capabilities of the Chandrayaan-2 module. It has been reinforced to independently adapt to a wider range of variables, enabling a safe and soft landing. Detailed tests have been carried out for the performance evaluation of the lander systems on Earth to ensure the capability of lander for autonomous, safe, and soft landing in all possible conditions. The propulsion module comprised a payload called spectropolarimetry of habitable planet Earth, SHAPE. This payload was designed to discover how smaller planets in reflected light would allow us to probe into a variety of exoplanets which would qualify for habitability. The lander module was equipped with 4 payloads, namely radio anatomy of moon-bound hypersensitive ionosphere and atmosphere. RAMBA was used to measure the near-surface plasma density and its changes with time. Chandra's Surface Thermophysical Experiment, CHAST, carried out the measurement of thermal properties of lunar surface near polar region. Instrument for Lunar Seismic Activity, ILSA, measured the seismicity around the landing site and delineating the structure of the lunar crust and mantle. Laser Retroreflector Array, LRA, was a passive experiment to understand the dynamics of the Moon system. The rover module was equipped with 2 payloads: Laser-Induced Breakdown Spectroscope or LIBS did qualitative and quantitative elemental analysis and derived the chemical composition and infer mineralogical composition to further our understanding of the lunar surface. Alpha Particle X-ray Spectrometer APXS determined the elemental composition of the lunar soil and rocks around the lunar landing site. The LVM-3 rocket successfully deployed the Chandrayaan-3 satellite into an elliptical parking orbit at a distance of 170 by 36,500 kilometers. Following the sequence of Earth burns or EBN, the spacecraft was precisely inserted into translunar orbit. On August 5, 2023, Chandrayaan-3 successfully entered the lunar orbit at an intended distance of 164 kilometers by 18,074 kilometers. Then the spacecraft achieved a lunar orbit of 153 kilometers by 163 kilometers through a series of lunar burns. On August 17, 2023, the lander module was successfully detached from the propulsion module. After a series of maneuvers, the lander module was successfully brought into a 25 km by 134 km lunar orbit. Consequently, the lander module initiated the power descent phase to achieve a soft landing near the south pole of the lunar region. Then, the much-anticipated spacecraft landing on the lunar surface had begun. On August 23, 2023, the long-awaited Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft achieved a successful soft landing on the Moon. The entire country witnessed the event and cherished the triumphant occasion. The entire nation was filled with pride as they witnessed the relentless efforts of the Indian Space Research Organisation. The Honourable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, witnessed the triumphant event through virtual mode and applauded the valiant efforts of the ISRO scientists.
चंदा मामा बहुत दूर के हैं, चंदा मामा बहुत दूर के हैं। अब एक दिन वो भी आएगा जब बच्चे कहा करेंगे चंदा मामा बस एक टूर के हैं।
On August 24, 2023, rover ramped down from the lander and India embarked on a historic moonwalk. After coming back from South Africa and Greece, the Honourable Prime Minister promptly headed to the ISRO Telemetry Tracking and Command Network (ISTRAC) in Bengaluru on August 26th. During his visit, he expressed his admiration and delivered a historic speech about the achievements of ISRO scientists and the lunar mission Chandrayaan-3. He also saluted the pivotal contribution made by the women scientists of ISRO, the Nari Shakti, in the successful accomplishment of India's lunar landing mission. By achieving this historic feat, he has given it the names
चंद्रयान 2 के पद चिन्ह जहां है, वो स्थान आज से तिरंगा पॉइंट कहलाएगा। और जहां पर चंद्रयान 3 का मून लैंडर पहुंचा है, वो स्थान आज से शिव शक्ति पॉइंट कहलाएगा।
To commemorate the grand success of Chandrayaan-3, the Government of India announced
23 अगस्त को जब भारत ने चंद्रमा पर तिरंगा फहराया, उस दिन को अब हिंदुस्तान नेशनल स्पेस डे के रूप में मनाया जाएगा।
to honor India's amazing space exploration journey. MyGov, in collaboration with ISRO, conducted the Chandrayaan-3 Maha Quiz, in which millions of students participated. The remarkable achievement of Chandrayaan-3 highlighted India's impressive technological advancements, scientific expertise, and unwavering dedication to the exploration of outer space. India's success will further strengthen its position in the global space community. The success of this mission will ignite a sense of pride and inspiration in future generations. The wonders of space have always captivated humanity. For the maiden Indian human spaceflight mission, Gaganyaan, ISRO, in collaboration with the Indian Air Force, selected the crew from a pool of talented test pilots. These pilots underwent a battery of clinical, aeromedical, and psychological tests. Finally, the National Crew Selection Board recommended 4 test pilots from the Indian Air Force for the Gaganyaan crew training program. The selected crew members were trained at the Gagarin Cosmonaut Training Center, Russia, for a period of about 13 months. This training covered various aspects of a space mission, such as parabolic flights, survival training in off-nominal snow, desert, and water landing, as well as extreme environment stressors. After returning, the astronauts are being trained in the newly established training facility. Through the Gaganyaan crew training simulators, mock-ups, and state-of-the-art virtual reality tools, the space crew is also getting trained in various human-centric products and survival scenarios. Physical fitness of the crew is maintained through a rigorous physical training regime. A specialized yoga module is also incorporated in the physical training curriculum for holistic health management of the astronauts. They will also be assigned for ISRO NASA mission to the International Space Station, announced by the Honorable Prime Minister. This incredible feat will take Bharat to greater heights. Akasha Bhavantam Pratikshate.